Welcome back to Business Setup Blueprint, where I show you real businesses you can start and how to set them up step by step. Today's episode is sponsored by Remote Services Academy and POV CRM. In this series, we are breaking down 30 businesses you can start, one episode at a time. We're focusing on practical, scalable models. Today's business is a residential cleaning business. It's a strong episode too because it's simple to start and creates steady income. A residential cleaning business is one of the most practical service businesses you can start. People always need help keeping their homes in order. Why does it work? Because people are busy. Families, professionals, and parents often want a clean home but lack the time or energy to do it.
That is where you come in.
You are not just selling cleaning, you are selling peace of mind, time, and comfort for your clients. If you structure it properly, this can become a steady, recurring income business that grows as your reputation does. Step 1. Understand the business. This provides cleaning services for homes, apartments, condos, and even short-term rentals. Your services can range from basic cleaning to deep cleans, move-out turnovers, and post-construction cleaning. But when you are starting, do not try to offer everything. Start simple and focus on delivering absolute excellence in one area first. Your first goal is to become known for being reliable, professional, and consistent. In this business, trust is your most valuable currency. Trust is vital. People are allowing you into their personal space, so they need to feel comfortable and safe with your presence. That means you must look professional, communicate clearly, show up on time, and do quality work every single visit. Step 2. Choose your cleaning niche. Before you start, decide what specific area of cleaning you want to dominate. Regular home cleaning is excellent for building recurring income. It's predictable and keeps your schedule full week after week. Deep cleaning usually pays more per job. It requires more time and effort, but it's a great way to boost your average job value. Move in and move out cleaning is often urgent. People are on tight schedules, which allows you to charge a premium for availability. Airbnb turnover cleaning can become highly recurring if you partner with hosts who have multiple properties with high turnover rates. For beginners, I recommend starting with regular and deep cleaning. It gives you the best balance of repeat revenue and fast cash. Step 3. Create simple service packages. Do not confuse your potential clients with too many complex choices. Package 1 is your standard clean. This covers the essential maintenance tasks like floors, bathrooms, and general tidying. Package 2 is the deep clean. This includes baseboards, the inside of appliances, and detailed scrubbing of built-up dirt. Package 3 is the move-in or move-out clean. This is an intensive deep clean for empty properties transition between residents. Sample pricing might look like this. Standard for 120 to 200 and turnover cleans for 300 to 700 or more. Remember, pricing depends on your location, the size of the home, its current condition, and how long the job will realistically take. Do not price based on emotion. Price based on the hard numbers. Time, labor, supplies, travel, and your required profit margin. Step 4. Get your basic supplies. You do not need expensive, heavy-duty equipment to get your first paying customers. Focus on the basics. Quality cleaning sprays, disinfectants, glass cleaner, and plenty of clean microfiber cloths. You'll also need a reliable mop, broom, vacuum, and a sturdy storage caddy to keep everything organized while you work. Start lean. As you grow, you can upgrade to steam cleaners or professional-grade vacuums. Don't overspend before you have revenue. Step 5. Set up the business properly. A professional foundation builds trust and allows you to charge premium prices from day one. Choose a professional name that sounds clean and reliable. Freshness or Spark and Shine are examples that communicate value clearly. Set up your online presence. A Google business profile is essential for local search, along with social media to show your work. Your page must clearly show what you do, where you serve, and most importantly, how potential clients can book your services. Step 6. Create a booking and intake system. This is where most cleaning businesses fail by relying on scattered messages. When you rely on DMs or memory, you forget follow-ups, estimates, and even appointments. That is how money gets lost in the gaps. You need a system that collects name, address, and property details automatically. This makes you look professional and ensures accurate pricing. And this is why structure matters. You are not just cleaning houses. You are building a scalable business that can run smoothly. Step 7. Get your first customers. Start with your immediate circle, the people who already know and want to support you. Your first message can be simple. Tell them you're launching, explain your packages, and ask for referrals or bookings. Create a first-time customer offer to build momentum. Use it to collect reviews and get those crucial early before and after photos. But be careful. Use discounts only to get started. After you have momentum and proof, you must charge what your service is worth. Step 8. Use before and after content. In this business, visual proof is the fastest way to build trust with strangers. People love seeing transformations. Show messy kitchens, dirty floors, or cluttered spaces becoming perfectly clean through your process. This content works perfectly on social media. It lets people see the exact quality they can expect when they hire you. Step 9. Create recurring income. This is where the real power of the cleaning business lies. Moving from one-offs to ongoing plans. Offer ongoing plans, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly maintenance. It creates stability so you aren't always chasing new leads. Just 20 clients paying $180 every 2 weeks equals over $7,000 a month in revenue before expenses. Step 10. Build trust and protect the business. Trust is everything when you are entering someone's private home. Consider business insurance. Have clear cancellation policies and always use a cleaning checklist to ensure quality stays high. Confirm every appointment and always ask for reviews. Trust is about the entire customer experience, not just the scrubbing. Step 11. Grow the business. Once you have consistent customers, it's time to build your team and scale your operations. Hire part-time help, create training systems, and reinvest in better gear. This is how you move from worker to business owner. Expand by partnering with property managers and real estate agents, or even moving into commercial cleaning as you grow. Here's the big lesson. A cleaning business sounds simple, but the money is not only in the cleaning. The real money is in the structure. A clear offer, a professional booking system, reminders, and a review plan. That is what separates a side hustle from a serious cleaning company. Let's recap what you need to do to launch your residential cleaning business correctly and start building toward a scalable team. Choose your niche, create your core packages, get your basic supplies, and set up your professional business name and presence. Build your booking system, land your first clients through your circle, and use visual content to drive recurring income plans. Build trust through quality and policies, and then focus on growing with systems that allow you to scale beyond yourself. Visit Remote Services Academy at remoteservicesacademy.com to learn how to build your service business step by step with our guided pathway. To build the structure you need, check out POV CRM. Manage leads, schedules, and reminders without relying on memory. Visit povcrm.com. If you need coaching or strategy for your business, reach out to me at j@winnercirclewithj.com. This has been episode 2 of Business Setup Blueprints. I'm Adewole, and I'll see you in the next blueprint, where we'll break down another business you can start today.